Cincinnati trying to force the issue a bit here, and this is their first stolen base of today. No, McLean had one. Second stolen base of the afternoon. Look at that. The kicker for me is not the 108, but only 58 last year. All of last season, they had 58 stolen bases.
It's July the 8th. And there he goes again. They didn't even cover third. De La Cruz got a massive jump, and there's stolen base number 3. And now let's see. He's coming home. They weren't looking. Did he touch the plate? Yes, he did.